Alright, that's that Matilda's tiffin for tomorrow. That ready always some nuts and stuff. And let's maybe bread with jam, blueberry jam. She loves blueberry jam. I have to buy more blueberry jam later, but I'll just give it to her. Alright, put this here and a baby milk bottle, just in case she's thirsty. Alright, now I'll like just La 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 la, I'm playing with Mr. Teddy. Huh? It just went all of the sudden dark. I wonder what happened. Oh my god, it's dark! Ouch, it! Mommy, 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 mommy! What's wrong, Matilda? I'm scared of the dark and I trip. Hey, it's alright. Do you want some candy? Alright, sit here. It's alright. Alright. Sit here. I'll just get a tap date for you so you feel better. Alright. I don't know how the fridge still has light. Oh yeah, it's not electric. Hey, look what I got. Yummy. That's mommy. I love it. It makes me feel better now. Oh, I'm glad, sweetie. Can we go and do something? Sure, honey. What do you wanna do? Let's do paint. Alright, so let's use the camera and get a photo of something random and I then did some adds to it. I like edit things. Alright, I'll use the fireworks. Wow, it's beautiful. Yeah, I know, right? Alright, it's your play toy, so yeah. The other one doesn't really work, so yeah. Alright, now here's the doggy one for you. Yay, doggies! I love doggies! Alright, just add a little blush there, tutu, and tutu. I love this doggy painting. It's so cute. Mommy, look, I'm done. Wow, it's so beautiful, honey. I know, right? Alright, now let's put this in a box. Put the pencil away now. Alright, put it in that box over there. Alright, I'll put it in that box, mommy. You know her voice is very violent, isn't it? Yup! Alright, do you want some milk? Yep, alright, I'll get some milk for you. Here you go. Yum! Alright, now it's time for bed. Since it's really getting late, it's like 10:30 p.m. and like you had your dinner earlier this video, so yeah, you will be going back to sleep now. Alright, mommy, you have school tomorrow, don't forget. Okay, if we can do some stuff before like we do it and like thought. Yeah, alright. So, how was your day in school today? It was good. Did you get bullied? No, mommy, I did not get bullied. Alright, that's great to hear, sweetie. Alright. Here's some candy. It's a bit good today. Yum, thank you, mommy. Yay. Yum. That's so yummy. Yeah, I know, right? Alright, now it's time for bed. Get yourself ready. Alright, now that she's asleep. Here and... Oops, sorry guys for that. And... Alright. Alright. well, I should get going to sleep too. And before we continue this video, though, like, subscribe, comment, and tell me if I should do more total life RPs. Alright, I'll just turn this on so like we don't really have more mosquitoes. So yeah, and go to sleep. Bye, my rainbowies.